Let's take a semi-finished product to demonstrate how to replace the sealing ring. You just need to follow the steps. Remove the circlip and take off the handle. Pull out the core. Take out the white plastic ring with the tweezers. We need to be patient, it's not very easy. Then the black sealing ring, we need to pull it out. Then put in the new sealing ring and the white plastic ring. First we need to put in the black sealing ring. If the white circle is not cut, we need to cut it obliquely with a knife. We need to make sure that all the parts of white circle is in the groove. Then put the core back in. Finished!